Hello friends, welcome to Vidyut Tech. This is Sai Prakash. In this video, I would like to unbox EcoVolt Plus 850 inverter of Luminous company. This is having volt ampere rating of 700 volt amperes and active power rating of 588 watts. With this rating, you can load up to 2 lights, 2 fans and 1 TV. If you want to go with the more number of loads, then go with the higher volt ampere rating of the inverter. Friends, make sure that you have connected load less than the active power rating of the inverter. If you want to know the reason, please go to the previous video of EcoVolt Neo 1050 inverter of Luminous company. Friends, EcoVolt Neo 1050 inverter of Luminous company is the latest inverter in Luminous company. Friends, you can see the thumbnail on the screen or you can click on the I button. Friends, this is having warranty of 24 months and you can select Eco mode or UPS mode for this inverter. Based on the requirement, you have to select the mode, friends. If you have electronic appliances, then go with the UPS mode. If you have electrical appliances, then go with the Eco mode. This is having charging current of 14 amperes. Friends, this is best suitable for shops, homes, banks, etc. Based on your requirement, you can go with that. Friends, this is a sine wave inverter, so you can run your devices very safely with better performance and less noise. As this is a sine wave inverter, you can use this in the cities, low voltage drop areas and low time power cuts. If you want to know the reason for this, please go to the previous video of sine wave inverter versus square wave inverter in my channel. You can see the thumbnail on the screen or you can click on the I button on the top. Friends, you can select 4 battery types over here. If you have selected tubular battery, you have to select tubular. If you have selected flat plate, go with the flat plate. Okay, like that. Friends, you can select charging current also. High, medium, low. Based on the battery capacity, you have to select the charging current, friends. If you have selected high capacity battery, then go with the high charging current. If you have selected low capacity battery, go with the low charging current. You can see the details on the manual, friends, provided in the box. Why you have to do this? What will happen? Okay, if you have selected high charging current for low capacity battery, it is going to decrease the battery life. If you have selected low charging current for high capacity battery, it is going to charge your battery slow. So make sure that one, friends. Friends, this is having DC voltage of 12 volts. So this is the single battery inverter. Friends, for more details, please go to the link in the description and follow me on the Instagram, friends. Coming to the display indications, you can see mains available, battery charging, eco mode, UPS mode, low battery and overload. Here you can see the display indications. This is of Luminous company and here is model name EcoVolt Plus 850. Here comes the protection, friends. You can protect from short circuit, battery deep discharge, overload, over temperature. Here comes the alarm, friends. Battery low, pre-alarm, battery low, overload, short circuit, false. Whenever this occurs, it going to alarm. Coming to the manufacturing date, 22 February 2020, lot number. This will be same for EcoVolt Plus 850 of Luminous company. Product name sine wave UPS. Model EcoVolt Plus 850 divided by 12 volts. That means you can connect only one battery. Here comes the voltage, friends. 230 volts and the frequencies of 50 Hz. Quantity is one number, so only one product will be available in this box. And coming to the maximum retail price, 7540. Friends, this is the front side of the inverter. You can see model name EcoVolt Plus 850. Here you can see the mains, charging, eco, UPS mode, low battery, overload, power on and power off button. Luminous company. Whenever you are taking supply from the mains, it is going to on. Okay, whenever the battery is charging, it is going to glow. Eco mode. You can select eco mode or UPS mode based on the requirement. If you have the system, you have to select the UPS mode. Low battery. It is going to glow whenever low battery is there. Overload. Whenever overload takes, it glows. Coming to the top of the inverter, friends, here you can see the recommended battery, friends. This is of 12 volts and you can see the range of the battery rating 80 ampere hours to 150 ampere hours. While connecting battery, you have to check the polarity also, friends. And coming to the back side of the inverter, friends, here you can see the push to reset circuit breaker. Here you can see the output. This is the output of the inverter, friends. And here you can see the AC input 230 volts and the frequencies of 50 Hz. This is positive terminal of the battery. This is negative terminal of the battery. Here you can see the 12 volts. Here you can see the heat sink, friends. It will protect from the over temperature. Friends, over here you can see the input rated voltage 220 volts AC, rated current 4.55 amperes, frequencies of 50 Hz, and single phase. Output rated voltage is of 220 volts AC and rated current is of 3.34 amperes. Friends, here you can see the frequency of 50 Hz and the tolerance of plus or minus 0.5 Hz. And the single phase capacity is of 700 volt amperes, active power rating of 588 watts. Operating temperature is 0 to 45 degrees centigrade, made in India. DC voltage is of 12 volts DC and the current is of 55 amperes. Friends, here you can see the regulated, unregulated. You can select the battery type over here, and here you can see the LMH. Friends, for more details please go to the link in the description and follow me on the Instagram, friends. Friends, after knowing the detailed explanation of this product, I hope you don't hesitate to call to the number on the screen. If you want to buy this product or if you have any doubts regarding this product, please call to the number on the screen or you can WhatsApp also. 9966 979707. Friends, if you have any feedback, please let me know, friends, so that it will boost my energy levels and make more interesting videos for you. If you want me to do any review of other products, please let me know, friends. We will come up with that video. Friends, if you like the video, please do like, share and comment for the video and subscribe to our channel and click on bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching the video, friends.